Guys, we got another beast in here. 2022 Dodge Charger Hellcat Redeye. Beautifully wrapped in Sunfire Yellow with stripes. Really sexy car. It's only got 10,000 miles on it. Still practically brand new. So anyways, got factory converter there, factory X pipe 3-inch. Then we did a mid delete right there, 3-inch. Left the valves in for now. He might come back and take those off if he wants it louder. I doubt it, but it'll be pretty loud. Then we did a rear delete there and there, and put our signature 5-inch black tips to complete the look, make it look sexy as hell. You guys can see, came out absolutely beautiful. I love that wrap on. I like that color scheme. There's the mids that were on it. There's the rears. We cut all that off and cleaned it up for him, replaced it all. So we'll let you guys hear it in a second. Hope you guys like it. And like always, guys, make sure you like, comment, and hit that. We got a 2021 all the way from Pennsylvania. 2021 Hellcat Redeye Charger. Sexy, look at those wide wheels, wide body. Just a really beautiful car all the way around. What we got done on it, you guys can see there. Factory converter there, in there. Then we did an X-pipe delete. You always want to put a brace there, in there, because they breaks if you don't. They'll rattle off. And then somebody else did a mid-muffler delete a while back, but it wasn't loud enough for him. He was watching our videos. He's like, when I come down for a convention, I'm coming to you guys. And he kept his word, so he's here. Still got the valves there and there. Then we did a rear delete there and there, and put some of our signature massive 5-inch black tips out the back, there and there. There's the rears that were on it, and the carbon 5-inch tips right there. But with the 5-inch we use, they're a little bit longer. Just gives it a lot deeper tone. So stay tuned for the sound. And like always, guys, please like, comment, and subscribe. Dodge Charger Hellcat wide body, sexy, much better. What do you think? Thumbs up? Yes? That's fire, man. Like he said, it just hit puberty, so there you go. Here's sound decibels. You hit 120, bro. Again? 122. It's in your chest, man. I love it. Very nice. And hit him up on his Instagram, guys. It's a whole group of guys, so there's their Instagram. Make sure you guys hit them up. Tell them Exhausted Addict sent you guys. I like it. Can't beat that sound, man. 6.2 of power. I like the color. That's sexy. I'll let you guys hear on there. Much better. Yeah, he opened the valve. You can hear it. Go ahead. That's how it should sound. Wow, my ears. Again. 126, dude. That's awesome. Again. You feel that in your chest, man. Yes, sir. Hey. Hey, you have no idea how many neighbors call us and thank us for doing this for them. Yeah, a lot. I like the scheme on it, how you did the paint. That's sick. That's wrap. It's a wrap, right?
No, all factory. The only thing I wrapped was the 8-color and the mirror.
Really?
Yeah,
oh, wow.
Is factory.
That's awesome. All the way from Pennsylvania. I love it. That's how we came faster other than the pillar. Let you guys hear it on the inside. Charger Hellcat 6.2 supercharged wide body, custom wrap, custom everything. Car's sexy. Love the idle on it. '22 Hellcat Redeye. X-pipe delete, mid delete, rear delete. True duals basically, other than the cats. That sounds phenomenal. With our signature black 5-inch tips. Came out really nice. Look at that. It's just sexy. I love that color scheme. Hopefully it'll give us a nice drive off.